Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We're 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Live in faith that the whole world is on your side so long as you are true to the best in you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's down 78, Nasdaq off 18, S&P's are down 9.5. Gold contract up $20.60, trading at $1,152 an ounce. Gold, wide price spread, accelerated volume, takes its swing out with volume, folks. Gold's on its way to $11.65, which was the high in July. Silver, up 32 cents, $15.11. Platinum up $22 at $9.54 an ounce. Copper, flat at $2.30 a pound. Light sweet crude up 66 cents, trading at $45.14 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year up 3 ticks, 128.02. Wide price spread, had the volume, didn't hold the price. But what that means, folks, is going to go right back topside once again. The bond market is going after the 10-year went into its highs from April. It's going after that. We'll see whether it's going to take it out. 30-year up 27 ticks, 156.15. Also had the price spread, held price better. Bottom line, that also is going after its highs. That has about another 8 points in order to get into those highs. King dollar. King dollar can't handle higher price. Down 86 ticks at 96.12. What King dollar has done, folks, is this. King dollar has failed to get to its swing point the last 4 separate times it tried to get up there. You came down today with volume. Euro up 35, trading at 112, and the yen is at 120.01. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We take a look at the SPY. This is what you have happening in the SPY. This is a trip. Bottom line is you had high volatility out here today in spades. Market came back quite a bit, by the way. Not enough, though. Not enough for a Thursday in a week that, of course, only has 5 trading days. You got under the swing point from Wednesday. That swing is a 192.56. We hit 190.56. We've done 152 million shares. Now, the ABC had to do 153 million. So we're shot on that. Bottom line, what I expect you're going to see out here, you're going to be right hammering down here once again tomorrow. And I'll explain why. Well, we had the expansion in volume. That is the first part. That's not the larger part, though. Inside the NDX 100, what do we have inside the NDX 100? Same type of setup. We had 35 million shares. NDX 100 made a nice run back. Okay, we're a low of 102.27. We're at 103.84. We did 35 million shares. NDX is stronger than the SPYs. NDX also, I suspect, will get into the lows of today once again. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? You got it all. Wide price spread, accelerated volume, takes a B point out of an ABC structure on the way up with a vengeance, folks. Gold does 197,000 contracts. It took out the price point of 1141.50 with volume. It's on its way to 1169.80, which was the high that was generated out here on August 24th. What's really cool, though, is this, folks. What gold has done is this. You know, gold's been going down since, what, 2011, right? We hit a low out here in July of 1073. It's based since 1073. You had your first sign of strength, 2 or 3 of them off the lows in July. You had the wide price spread, accelerated volume, and then what you had, which is really absolutely important, is a pullback with dramatically lighter volume, rejecting lower price, and we had 2 of them. You had the first run got you up to 1169. You pull back into 1117. You go up slightly higher again. Then you do the full pullback with lighter volume into how you came off the bottoms on August 11th and 12th. You go top side once again, meaning we went from August 9th up to the 18th with volume. You back down again with lighter volume. Now you're taking everything out with volume and price. What that sets up is not just the highs of 1169. That sets up a run to 1234, which is the May 18th high. The reason it does set that up is that when we came off the bottom, you came off the bottom with velocity and you broke the downtrend from the May area. That's what you did, and you broke it with conviction. Then what did you do? You went back and tested the top side of the trend line that you actually broke, which is pretty cool, okay? So that's the run that's set up right now. The intriguing part about it, if you're in that market, is that this is the first time in 11 years that gold has gone the separate way of the S&P. If you take a look at some of these equities, an Eagle just rips apart its swing point with volume. Eagle is up 264. The swing point was 25.49, had 4.4 million, did 6.5 million. Same deal with an Eagle. I expect you're going to get 27.01. It's going to be making its way up to the $34 area. Bonds. Bonds are the market that continue to give the most consistent information out. And what that is that bonds want higher price. They want to go after their highs. We did 1.2 million contracts today in the 10-year. You're coming into the high. Now, bonds got to a price point of 128.15. The low of the high is 128.05. The high is 129.10. We're going to be right back up there, folks. It's going to go right after those numbers, which is going to be just pretty wild watching this whole thing shake out. You know, if you do have an interest in getting any coins, you know, I had our man, Mr. Chris Gaffney, on, who's the president of Everbank World Markets a couple of days ago. Everbank has a very nice deal on gold coins. They're called the 5 Blessings. They're made by the Royal Canadian Mint. They have the exclusive distributorship on them. If you're looking for a safe way to buy coins, folks, this would be it. They're selling gold coins $75 over spot for gold 1-ounce pieces. They're selling silver $7 over spot. You can call them at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. Now, as to where we're going in the marketplace, folks, check it out. Nikkei blows out its bottoms last night with juice. Nikkei went down 495. You're at 17,571. Guess what? That's going a lower price. DAX in Germany closed at its lows, folks. We're at 9427. That baby's going to blow out its lows tomorrow. I expect we're going to be going after lower price tomorrow. Stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.